Hey everyone, looking to set up your ImoLaza mini controller with your Android phone? No worries. This video will guide you through the process step by step, making it quick and easy. Adding a device on an Android phone is super simple and can be broken down into 3 easy steps: preparation, Wi-Fi connection, and weather station selection. Let's start with the first step. Before we begin, make sure your device is ready. Press and hold the reset button in the top left corner of the controller for 5 seconds to reset it. Next, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the control center, then tap the Bluetooth and location icons to make sure they are both turned on. Once that's done, you're ready for the next step. Now, let's connect your controller to Wi-Fi. First, place your phone within 10 feet of the device. Wait for the app to scan for your device, then tap on it when it appears. If the device is not displayed here, try tapping click here in the top right to manually scan the QR code to start setup. Next, tap the Switch Wi-Fi button on the right to see a list of available networks. Find and select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, the one your controller will connect to. Correctly enter your Wi-Fi password, making sure there are no extra spaces, then tap the Connect button to start the process. Once your device is connected, go ahead and give your controller a personalized name. Awesome! You've successfully connected your device to your home network. Now, let's move on to the final step. Select a weather station. Tap Add Address to begin setting up your location. Enter your street address as accurately as possible. This is important because it determines which weather station your controller will use. For the best experience, we recommend checking Allow System Recommendation. This way, the system can automatically switch to another available weather station if needed. And that's it. Amazing! You've completed all the steps to add your device. Now, your ImoLaza mini controller is ready to provide smart control and convenience for your home.